Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Investing in the stock market can be a smart move for your financial future. A brokerage account, quite simply, is your essential tool for this. It allows you to buy and sell shares of companies listed on the Pakistan Stock Exchange, or PSX. It's truly your first step towards building wealth through equity investments, helping you grow your savings over time. So, who can open a brokerage account in Pakistan? Generally, any Pakistani citizen who is at least 18 years old is eligible. You will definitely need your valid national identity card, which is your CNIC for identification. Additionally, brokers usually ask for proof of income, like a salary slip, and a recent utility bill to confirm your address. Make sure these essential documents are readily available. Picking the right broker is a really important decision. First, always ensure your chosen broker is properly regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, or SEC. Next, compare their trading platforms. Some are much more user-friendly than others. Also, carefully check their fee structure and consider the quality of their customer support. Taking your time to research here really pays off. The application process itself is fairly straightforward and designed for ease. You'll start by filling out the account opening form. Many brokers now offer this online, which is very convenient. Once completed, you will submit all the required documents you've gathered. Your chosen broker will then take some time to process and thoroughly verify your application before finally activating your new account. After your account is approved and active, it's time to fund it with your initial investment. You can deposit money into your brokerage account using various methods, often through direct bank transfers or other convenient online payment options. With funds now in your account, you are officially ready to explore the market. You can start buying shares and begin your investment journey in Pakistan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.